Particle steel is used in electric furnace steel casting and smelting billet. Can replace scrap steel, has the advantages of easy melting, power saving, low cost. The roll of particle steel ball press is cast with 65 manganese after special heat treatment. The hardness can reach more than 58 degrees. The roller is assembled in combination and can be replaced after wear. Particle steel ball press has a buffer device, can better protect the equipment from the impact of hard objects. Particle steel ball press is designed with ball bowl adjustable device so that the two-roller ball bowl is always within the adjustable range, never dislocation. The actual density of the material in the process of ball pressing can be increased by 1 to 3 times so as to meet certain strength requirements.